Dane, and this is Gary.
I'm Seamus, and this is Honey. And I'm Eva, and this is Butter.
Hi, I'm Elias.
I am Margot, and this is Hannah.
Welcome to today's MicroMission.
Dun dun dun!
Welcome to MicroMissions. Schools have changed a lot in the past week. You've gone from hanging out with your friends to staring at a computer with your new teacher, aka your mom.
Your mom being your teacher is great. There's some schools called micro societies where kids are in charge.
We're going to give you daily MicroMissions so that you can do it from home.
Today's MicroMission is taking your favorite food and learning everything you can about it, like when it was invented, what other countries eat it, what music was around at that time, and what art come from those countries that time. Yesterday we learned about meatloaf. It's one of my favorite foods, and we had it for dinner. My poster is around the medieval times when it was invented, and this person just bought some, and everyone's around in awe because it's too legendary to eat.
Thanks for joining Gary and I today.
Share your food experience ideas with us below.
Tomorrow we'll learn about the heart strainer micro with Butter the cat. Thanks for coming.